Hi, this is Pez, and I'd like to introduce you to a line of iPad cases by Luxmo. This is called the Crystal Case line, and they have a number of stunning patterns that you can choose from. This one is the flower pattern, and it just makes your iPad look ravishing and very attractive. Now, as you can see, these cases provide very good protection for your iPad, but at the same time they make your iPad look nice, sleek, and stylish. Let me show you how your iPad looks while it's in the case. The rear has a nice design, but then all around you get very good protection for the iPad because the edges are a little bit raised, so they provide a little bit of protection on the front. On the side you have easy access to all of the buttons that you need. Same with the top, all the buttons are exposed, giving you easy access to all of them. So overall you get a great looking iPad with nice designs, but at the same time you're provided with all the protection that you need. These come in several different designs, so every day you can pick and choose a design that suits your mood. They're all available on our website, so if you have any questions, just give us a call.